So today's game, Conservation of Energy, Legends of Learning, will help you review the law of conservation of energy and how energy can change forms. We have a short quiz tomorrow. So this game you could spend quite a bit of time on. It's up to you really. If you want to spend 5, 10 minutes on it, if you want to go longer, go ahead. There's different levels to it, but I ask that you just explore at least a little bit and try it out for today, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and hit the play button just to show you a few things, and I'll let you explore more. So I'm going to click on this little lever here, light bulb, takes us to the lab. I'm going to lower the volume here. Yes, we're ready. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of stuff you can do in this lab. This just takes you back to that part. This takes you to a few different things as far as you can do in the lab, as far as effects and music within the lab. But mainly what you want to do for right now is just worry about hitting this forward arrow button. And again, there is a narrator who helps you along in the game. Click on the screen to start the game. So make the slingshot work and shoot the balls into the empty basket. So take that back. Let's see here. Too much probably. Oh, got one, two. I think it said I had to get 5, 3. Oh, just short. Short again. I was on a roll there. 4 and oh no. There we go. 5. And then you click the forward arrow. It says good job shooting the balls in the basket. The slingshot used energy. Energy is the ability to do work, where work is defined as the application of a force over a distance. Play the game one more time, but pay attention. There might be a catch. And there definitely is a catch. The basket is standing up. Okay. A little bit harder. So notice there is a timer going here too. So I'll let you explore this game more after this one. If you can get 5 in a row, there's some questions that will pop up down here. And then it's going to take you to a new activity or a new game. Okay. So you can explore this game, this website for a little bit again today. It's just as a review. You definitely need to watch the video before this that was posted in Schoology. But that's it. So go ahead and have some fun with Legends of Learning, and hopefully you learn something.